Hello everyone, that's Nat. Today I'm going to talk about DNA. So DNA is usually in a cell, and a cell is usually organelles. So DNA is a very important part of the part of cell because it controls what it look like, what it do, and what it's made to do. So the DNA is actually in a nucleus. So the nucleus is the organelle that acts as a storage for all genetic material in cells. Genetic material is the DNA. So DNA is called deoxyribonucleic acid. It's called DNA. It's very hard to read. It's a molecule found in the cell that contains genetic instructional for life. So in the DNA, there's a process called DNA packaging. So it's for double L, like for production. So it's like cut the produce and then packet it to another space and then produce it back. Maybe then scroll it up. You might see this a lot. Like this, usually DNA is straight, but usually what they do is they do this, yeah. And this is the other DNA. That look like that, I guess. They just walk around each other to make them shorter because they were usually very long and they will be very messy, so they do that. So in DNA there's some parts. So first part I'll talk about is the DNA backbones. DNA backbones have sugar and phosphoride molecules. Second part I'm going to talk about is the DNA step. It's the nucleotides and split into 4 parts. The first one's adenine, second one's threonine, third one's citronine, and fourth one guanine. And usually the first one and the second one goes together, adenine and threonine. And then the third and the fourth one go together, citronine and glucanine. So usually I will get this as A, go with T, basically, and B, is C, go with G. So we have talked about DNA packaging a little bit of that. Now we're going to talk mainly. Okay, in the DNA packaging, there's a primary structure and it's straight, right? So amino acid, like the circle, like the straight line with circle like that. And they turn around and then they look like a DNA. In the sense that it's a secondary structure called helix. And then it's turned to a normal DNA that scroll around each other. And you look at it, it's like very normal. And it's called the ternary structure. And it's split into telomere and quadrant. So now we're going to talk about the nucleic acids. So this is a biochemical molecule that store and transfer genetic information in cells. So it's transfer information in these 4 things. So that's why I keep it. It's transform, and give information to different cells. What do like all our body is functioning in the cell right now. The cells function for our body right now. Okay. That's all of my video. Enjoy. Bye. See you next time.